Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix no internet connection on TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply go back to your home screen, and then what you have to do is just simply open settings in your phone. And let me tell you that when you are not connected to internet, you will face this type of problem. If you're connected to internet and then you're facing this type of problem, then what you have to do is just simply tap on SIM card and mobile network and tap on that SIM which is connected to internet. And what you have to do is just simply tap on preferred network type here and make sure that you have check on 4G auto, and then tap on choose network, and from here you have to turn the toggle on for automatically select network. So after that you have to tap on access point names, then tap on three dots here, then reset to default, then go back. And if you're using Wi-Fi, then what you have to do is just simply tap on Wi-Fi and you have to turn the Wi-Fi off and then turn it on again, and then go back and again open settings, and here you can see app management. So just tap on this and you have to search for TikTok from here. So after that what you have to do is just simply tap on notifications and then make sure that you have allowed all the notifications, and then tap on permissions and make sure that you have allowed all the permissions. If you don't, then you have to allow all the permission like this, then go back, and here is the storage and cache. So just simply tap clear cache and clear storage, and then go back and then force stop the app and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply uninstall your app and restart your phone, and then what you have to do is just simply reinstall your app, and after that I will guarantee you your problem 100% will be fixed. So that is guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.